Hi guys, thank you very much for joining me today for the 2-week review. So I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and these are some of my favourite things. So what can you say about the brand new Huawei Matebook? So this is available on the Huawei store, so it's consumer.huawei.com. My experience on it has been amazing. I've loved every second of having this. It's really light, like it's to the point where I can almost spin it. I'm not going to because I'll drop it, and I don't really want to get in trouble. I think the important thing to remember with Huawei is that they've had a lot of obstacles thrown at them in the past year. But with things like the Mate 30, the P40 that I'm recording on, Matebook and my Matebook Pad, is that they've overcome every challenge. They've introduced things like App Gallery and Pedal Search to continue to deliver apps to the customers, and that's every app which is regularly tested. And obviously with things like Phone Clone, which they developed, you can also transfer your apps across. So that's all connected to my experience with this device. Going from a handset to a laptop, I was a bit like, okay, how does this fit into my life? And for the last 2 weeks, I've been able to play mobile games on my laptop by using multi-screen collaboration. So I've used it for work, I've battered it with Excel, I've used it for creating documents and PowerPoints, and I charged it for 15 minutes the other morning in a rush, and I got 2.5 hours worth of battery out of it. For me, the Matebook 13 2020 has been amazing. With all this in mind, this is definitely one of the devices I would recommend for your customers. It's durable, it's lightweight, it's got fingerprint security, you can have multiple profiles on that, it's got password protection, it's got all the mod cons, it's got fast charging, it has everything that your modern day laptop is going to have. So thank you all for watching my video. It's been a fun 2 weeks using the Matebook. I'm excited to see what else I can discover on there. Like everything, it's all new to me and it's a learning curve. But I appreciate your time. If you want to give it a like, I'll really appreciate that. But otherwise, stay tuned for more.